Hybrid cars were supposed to represent peace of mind, clean technology, quiet engines, fewer trips to the mechanic. They were marketed as the smartest, safest choice for the everyday driver. But behind the polished ads and glossy brochures lies a very different reality, one filled with costly repairs, unreliable systems, and models designed more for marketing than for long-term durability. Today, we're going to expose the 3 hybrid cars you must stay far away from, and then reveal 4 models you can buy with total confidence. The ones built to last, the ones that won't drain your wallet, the ones that actually deliver what the hybrid revolution promised. But before we get to the winners, we need to talk about the disasters. This is where the nightmares begin, especially with the first car on our list. The Renault Captur E-Tech, a promising hybrid turned mechanical gamble on paper. The Renault Captur E-Tech had everything going for it. A small, efficient engine, a futuristic hybrid system, low emissions, attractive pricing. But in reality, the Captur hides a mechanical secret that has caused countless drivers months of headaches and staggering repair costs. Its transmission. Renault fitted the Captur E-Tech with a complex dog-clutch gearbox, a technology that works brilliantly in race cars but becomes a reliability minefield in day-to-day driving. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, this gearbox can't smoothly handle low-speed urban conditions. It hesitates, it jerks, it misshifts, and when the system struggles to synchronize the electric motor with the gasoline engine, the entire powertrain suffers. If you're buying a hybrid to avoid problems, the Captur E-Tech is the last model you want in your driveway. The Jeep Renegade 4xe, a hybrid that drinks fuel. Like a V6 Jeep promised that the Renegade 4xe would combine rugged off-road DNA with modern hybrid efficiency. What drivers got instead was a heavy, overpriced SUV that behaves more like a confused experiment than a finished product. The problem begins with the weight between the electric motor, the battery pack, and the reinforced chassis. The Renegade 4xe feels bloated. The result? Fuel consumption that skyrockets the moment the battery runs out, which happens quickly due to the small capacity. Many owners report real-world consumption numbers closer to a diesel pickup than a hybrid crossover. If you want a hybrid SUV that saves you money, this is not it. The Renegade 4xe is one of the clearest examples of a manufacturer rushing into hybrid tech without mastering the basics. The Peugeot 3008 Hybrid. Luxury looks, dangerous complexity. The Peugeot 3008 Hybrid is an impressive car at first glance. Stylish, modern, comfortable. But underneath that beautiful exterior hides one of the most fragile hybrid systems on the mainstream market. The issue isn't just the battery or the engine. It's the combination of both. Peugeot's system attempts to juggle a gasoline engine, 2 electric motors, and a complex all-wheel drive architecture, but the synchronization between components often fails, leading to sudden engine shutdowns, battery overheating, and traction issues. Drivers have reported losing power on the highway, warnings flooding the dashboard, and repairs so expensive that some insurers refuse to cover repeated failures. This isn't a hybrid designed for long-term ownership. It's a luxury hybrid designed to impress on paper and disappoint in the real world. The Toyota Prius, the undisputed king of hybrid reliability. For more than 20 years, the Toyota Prius has dominated the hybrid landscape. While other manufacturers experimented with flashy systems and complicated layouts, Toyota focused on one thing: simplicity. The Prius's hybrid system is a masterpiece of engineering, a seamlessly integrated powertrain where the gasoline engine, electric motor, and continuously variable transmission work in perfect harmony. This simplicity is what makes it nearly bulletproof. Taxi fleets in Europe, the US, and Asia regularly push Prius models beyond 300,000 miles, with minimal maintenance. Battery failures are extremely rare, and when they do occur, replacement costs are much lower than most competitors. The regenerative braking system extends brake life, the electric motor reduces engine stress, and the CVT eliminates the mechanical wear found in traditional gearboxes. The Prius isn't flashy, it isn't aggressive, but as a reliable, economical, long-lasting hybrid, it is unmatched. When people say, buy a hybrid you'll never stress about, they're almost always talking about the Prius. The Honda CR-V Hybrid. The SUV that gets everything right. Where some hybrid SUVs struggle under the weight of their own technology, the Honda CR-V Hybrid thrives. Honda's system is built around efficiency and durability, with an engine that works alongside the electric motors rather than fighting against them. The transition between power sources is smooth, predictable, and remarkably efficient in both city and highway driving. What makes the CR-V Hybrid stand out is its balance. It delivers strong fuel economy without sacrificing interior space, ride comfort, or long-term reliability. Honda has mastered the art of building hybrids that don't rely on fragile components, and the CR-V is the best example of that philosophy. The battery is well-cooled, the electronics are simple and robust, and the hybrid system rarely requires attention. If you want an SUV that feels modern without creating future headaches, the CR-V Hybrid is one of the safest bets money can buy. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid. A small car with giant reliability. The Toyota Corolla has always been known for its reliability, but the hybrid version takes things even further. Using the same bulletproof hybrid system found in the Prius, the Corolla Hybrid offers incredible fuel efficiency with far lower ownership costs than comparable compact hybrids. It's light, efficient, and extremely stable in long-term use. The electric motor reduces strain on the gasoline engine during city driving. The regenerative braking system extends the life of brake pads and discs, and like the Prius, the battery cooling system is so well designed that degradation is minimal over time. The Corolla Hybrid is the kind of car you buy if you want absolutely zero surprises. A quiet, efficient daily driver that stays loyal for decades. It may not grab attention, but it delivers something far more important: peace of mind. The Lexus NX 350h premium comfort with Toyota's reliability DNA. For drivers who want hybrid efficiency and luxury, the Lexus NX 350h is the ideal choice. Built on the same platform and hybrid architecture as Toyota's most reliable models, the NX 350h offers everything the average hybrid lacks: comfort, refinement, quietness, and long-term stability. Lexus does not take risks with unproven technology. The NX 350h uses Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system, lighter, smoother, and more efficient than before, while maintaining the durability that Lexus is known for. The interior feels premium without being fragile, the electronics are robust, and even after years of use, the hybrid components remain among the most reliable in the industry. Drivers praise the NX 350h for its ultra-low running costs, exceptional fuel efficiency, and the kind of comfort that makes long trips effortless. If you want a hybrid that feels sophisticated yet trustworthy, this is the one. The hybrid market has never been more divided. Today's hybrid market is split into two worlds. On one side, you have models that look modern on the outside but hide mechanical and electrical weaknesses, waiting to explode. Cars that promise fuel savings but deliver costly breakdowns, unpredictable systems, and headaches that arrive the moment the warranty expires. On the other side, you have hybrids engineered with patience, cars designed by manufacturers who spent decades perfecting their systems. These are the Toyota and Honda hybrids that run quietly, efficiently, and reliably long after others have failed. The three models we covered earlier, the Renault Captur E-Tech, Jeep Renegade 4xe, and Peugeot 3008 Hybrid, might look tempting on paper, but their real-world reliability tells a different story. Meanwhile, the Prius, CR-V Hybrid, Corolla Hybrid, and Lexus NX 350h offer some of the safest long-term investments in the automotive world. If you want a hybrid that won't turn your life into a nightmare, the winners are clear. And so are the ones to avoid. Give your wallet and your sanity a break. If this breakdown helped you choose your next hybrid car, or avoid the wrong one, make sure to subscribe. More deep-dive automotive investigations are on the way, from the best engines to buy used, to the cars that fall apart far too early. Drop a like if you want more cinematic, honest car reviews, and tell us in the comments which models you want us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.